I got my 2016 Kawasaki Vaquero. Today we're going to be fixing a rattle. It can be heard on the inside of the fairing. If you want to check your tank bag ring, make sure that's not rattling. Mine wasn't, but I still had a rattle. You want to take your hand, put it underneath the radio. There's a clip that's supposed to be in a hole. Right in there. You can hear mine's loose and rattling. So to fix that, we're going to take the headlight off and see if we can clip it back in. Alright, so I ended up pulling the speaker pocket off. It was easier to reach than going through the headlight. You can see right there. I think that's rattling pretty good. I don't know what that goes to. Some accessory maybe? Not sure. Wrap a zip tie around it. If I'm using that hole, go in and out through that hole. And you can get zip tie on it, and now it doesn't vibrate at all.